Hello guys, my name is Umbal and welcome to my channel. Today I will be unboxing glass mixing bowl for 5-quart Kitchenaid Stand Mixer. Hope you enjoy this video. So guys, I already opened the box and cut the bubble wrap for the items that I ordered online. So you will notice that when you order something fragile, especially glass, they make sure that it's well padded. It's protected with bubble wrap. So there you go. And I also ordered this Kitchenaid Stand Mixer cover along with this glass bowl for the Kitchenaid Stand Mixer 5-quart. So let's pull the package. Okay guys, so let's start unboxing the 5-quart glass mixing bowl for Kitchenaid Stand Mixer. So the glass mixing bowl comes with a lid. So it says dishwasher safe, top rack only, non-sealing cover. Okay. Then it has the styro to protect the glass. And there you go. So the glass mixing bowl has the measuring details on the side. Alright, so let's see how this mixing bowl is bigger. Okay, so when you put it, you have to be gentle because you don't want to break it. So the normal way to do it is to just put and then twist to lock it. There you go. So yeah, it fits perfectly. But I think you have, you can still see the measuring details on both sides. So here you'll see the ounces, cups, and on the other side is, let's see, the ml liters. Okay. So along with this glass mixing bowl, I also ordered the cover for it. There you go. See this? Okay, this is actually not for this model. It looks taller, but this is the only design that has the clear part. I like the one that I can see what's inside, so this is what I ordered. It fits. Yay! Perfect. So this cover cost $19.99. Oh no, actually $12.99. And then the mixing bowl, I'm not really sure how much the original price is, but I got this for $49.99 from Amazon. It's worth it. I mean, with the glass you can see what's inside. You don't have to like look over. You can see even if it's like on the side, you will see what's happening in while it's mixing. So there you go. Hope you liked today's video. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like this video. And if you have questions or let me know your thoughts, leave comment down below. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell so you will be notified when I have upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.